Your mind has the power to control everything. It shapes your reality and influences every aspect of your life. Your thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions have the power to lift you up or bring you down. They can either empower you or disempower you. So, what you choose to think and believe matters. It determines how you feel, how you act, and what you achieve. It determines the quality of your life. Your mind has the power to create your reality. It has the power to manifest your desires and bring your goals to fruition. When you align your thoughts and beliefs with what you want, you set the stage for it to manifest in your life. But it's important to recognize that your mind also has the power to limit you. When you have negative or limiting thoughts and beliefs, they can hold you back and prevent you from achieving your full potential. They can cause you to doubt yourself and your abilities. So, it's important to be mindful of your thoughts and beliefs and to work on shifting them to ones that empower and serve you. It may take time and effort, but it's worth it. When you shift your thoughts and beliefs, you shift your reality. Your mind also has the power to influence your behavior and actions. It determines how you respond to situations and challenges. It can either inspire you to take action or hold you back. So, it's important to use your mind to your advantage. Train it to think positively and believe in yourself. Use it to motivate and inspire you to take action towards your goals. Your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Remember, it has the power to control everything. Use it to create the life you want and to achieve your full potential. The idea that everything is in your mind may seem abstract or even philosophical at first, but it can be a powerful and empowering concept that can help you to take control of your life and shape it in the way that you want. To understand this idea, it is important to recognize that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. Our thoughts and beliefs influence how we perceive the world around us, and they can also influence our actions and behaviors. We believe that we are capable and deserving of success. We will be more likely to take the steps necessary to achieve it. On the other hand, if we believe that we are not capable or deserving, we will be less likely to pursue our goals with the same level of dedication and determination. It follows that if we want to change our lives for the better, we need to start by changing the way we think. This can be challenging, as many of our thoughts and beliefs are deeply ingrained and may have been with us for a long time. However, with time and effort, it is possible to change the way we think and to cultivate a more positive and empowering mindset. One way to do this is through mindfulness and self-awareness. By paying attention to our thoughts and emotions, we can begin to identify negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. We can then work to challenge and reframe these beliefs, replacing them with more positive and realistic ones. Another way to cultivate a more empowering mindset is through self-affirmation and self-compassion. It is important to remember that we are all human and that it is normal to make mistakes or to feel uncertain at times. By showing ourselves kindness and compassion, we can build our self-confidence and resilience and be better equipped to handle the challenges that come our way. Ultimately, the idea that everything is in your mind is a reminder that we have the power to shape our own lives and experiences. By taking control of our thoughts and beliefs, we can create a more positive and fulfilling reality for ourselves. So if you are feeling stuck or uncertain, remember that you have the power to change your circumstances and to create a life that is rich and meaningful. So, believe in yourself and in your abilities, and take action to turn your dreams into reality. It is often said that mind over matter is a powerful force, and there is a lot of truth to this statement. Our thoughts and attitudes can have a major impact on our lives and our ability to achieve our goals. When we believe in ourselves and our abilities, we are more likely to take action and persevere even in the face of challenges. On the other hand, when we doubt ourselves and our abilities, we may be more likely to give up or hold ourselves back. One of the key things to understand is that everything starts with a thought. Every action, every decision, and every outcome begins as a thought in our mind. This means that our thoughts have a huge amount of power and influence over our lives. If we want to make positive changes or achieve our goals, it is important to start by changing our thoughts and beliefs. One way to do this is through positive affirmations. These are statements that we repeat to ourselves with the intention of changing our mindset and beliefs. For example, if we want to believe in ourselves and our abilities, we might repeat affirmations such as "I am capable and competent" or "I am worthy of success." By repeating these affirmations to ourselves, we can start to reprogram our minds and replace negative thoughts with more positive and empowering ones. It is also important to be mindful of the thoughts we allow into our minds. Our thoughts are like seeds that can grow and take root. And if we allow negative or self-defeating thoughts to linger, they can hold us back and prevent us from achieving our goals. On the other hand, if we make a conscious effort to cultivate positive and empowering thoughts, we can set ourselves up for success. Another key aspect of mind over matter is the power of visualization. When we visualize ourselves achieving our goals or overcoming challenges, we can actually start to program our minds and bodies for success. By vividly imagining ourselves succeeding, we can increase our confidence and motivation and start to take the necessary steps towards making our visions a reality. In conclusion, everything is indeed in our minds, and the power of our thoughts and beliefs should not be underestimated. By taking control of our thoughts and using techniques such as positive affirmations and visualization, we can empower ourselves to achieve our goals and create the lives we want. Remember, with a positive and determined mindset, anything is possible.